Hi Crafty Friends, it's Scrapping Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? So today we are going to do an unboxing of 5 paintings from Amazon. So let's begin. The first one is called Dancer Girl. I picked this one because I love dancing. I don't know how to dance like a ballerina. I wanted to be a ballerina when I was a little girl, but it didn't happen. But anyway, she's absolutely gorgeous. She's got this beautiful red dress. And you see all the different colors all around her, glowing. And she's dancing. She's actually, you know, on her tippy toes because she's a ballerina. Okay, so this one is 30 by 40 centimeters. But, you know, it's always a little smaller. So let's see. So it's 30 by 40 with the whole thing. Okay, the whole canvas. But if you only do the where the drills are, it's always a little smaller. So that's 25 by 35. Okay, and this one has 23 colors, and I believe it's $8.99. Okay, so see how sticky. Looks very, very sticky. Ooh, yep. Let me bring her up so you can see. She's very clear. See how beautiful her dress is. And her shoes. Her ballerina shoes. Okay, so it comes with a tray, resealable bags, wax, a placer there, and a pen. All right, so let me make sure that I got the right one. This is G062. I had it right in front of me, and of course, where is it? G062. Oh my gosh. Oh, here it is. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, G062. So let's move this over here so you can see the drills. They all come in little plastic, this plastic bag that makes a lot of noise, so I apologize. Okay, and these look like they are in order, and they also have the number, the TMC number. So let's do it this way so you can see the colors better. Hopefully you can see them. So that's like a purple, that's a black, red, that's probably for her dress, green, gray, a mustard, more red, lots of yellows, and yellow orange. That's a pretty gray. That's like a brown gray. It's got greens, more orange. The orange and red is probably for her dress, and this is probably for her background. Wow, this is beautiful color. See that? That number is 3768. Very nice color. Okay, so this one, we said, it is $8.99. Okay, let's put that aside. Let's put the painting on this over here and the painting over here so it won't be in the way. Okay, the next one, I just thought it's just adorable. This one is 2 cats. They're friends, and she's got her little purse, and it's pouring rain, and they're both with their umbrellas, and she's got these pretty long eyelashes. And then there's this pretty tree with flowers and lots of blues, guys. And you know how much I love blues. This one, just like the other one, it says 30 by 40 centimeters. So let's do the centimeters again. The actual painting is 25 by 35, okay? Centimeters. 27 colors. So this one has a lot of colors, 27 colors. So let me bring it up so you can see it. It's just adorable. Look at the kitty cats. Or maybe they're like dancing in the rain. Okay, so let's see. It's very clear. It's super sticky. It comes with a tray, wax, and a pen, just like all the others. So let's put that over there. And this one is YG025. Let's see. It's this one. YG025. Let's open this baby up. Sorry about the noise again. That cannot be helped. Okay, and these are also in order, which is nice. Okay, so it looks like you have the brown, probably for the cat. And this looks like a black. Lots of shades of gray. And you have browns, all kinds of browns. It's probably for the cat. And then you have pinks. It's probably for her purse and their ears. And of course the flowers on the tree. And you have grays, pretty blues, pink. Oh, look at how pretty this green is. That's probably for the tree. Oh my gosh, look at this colors. Oh my God, I love all the blues and greens. Very pretty. Oh, there's more over here. Then you have white, that's probably for her. And then gray, pink, more blues, brown, and that beautiful blue-green. Beautiful colors on this one. I love it. And like I said, 27 colors, and this one is $4.38. Okay, let's put that over there. Put the painting over here. Okay, the next one is just very colorful, and it has to do also with rain. So this one's called Rain Boots. So you got two, looks like two pairs of, well, let's see. I think this is, actually, you know what? Are those boots over here? Because you got two here, that's a pair, which are very nice pattern, by the way. So I'm not sure if this is another pair of boots, or is it like a pot where the flowers are. I can't tell. But anyway, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. So you have here a plant in a pot with a blue bow. You've got beautiful flowers, and it's got tulips, sunflowers, and then you have, of course, butterflies, and I love the blue in the background. I love this one. This one's 30 by 40, and look how gorgeous the colors on this one, guys. Absolutely. So just very, very pretty, and absolutely lots. It's very, 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 very bright. Oh my Lord. Okay, and this has 34 colors, and let's see the measurement is same 25. This is like, yeah, 34 and a half, almost 35. Okay, so remember it says 30 by 40, but that's with the canvas itself, the whole thing. Okay, so the same thing, like they all come with a tray, wax, and a pen, and some baggies. And this one is WX1277, which is this one, which is nice, guys, because if you're not going to work on this yet, they have the numbers. So if you separate it like I do, when you're ready to work, you can find it. And you know, these drills go with this painting. Okay. So this one is, it's in order also. So very pretty blues, white. Wow, this one has lots of blues. It's probably for the butterflies and the flowers and the background. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. And that's, I think that's black. This must be for the boots. It's like a red-orange. And you have more red-orange, browns. That's green. That's probably for the leaves. Orange, more orange, yellow-orange. That's probably maybe for the also for the boots. Okay, browns and blues, lots of blues for the butterfly, the bow, and the background. Okay, and look at all these greens. Wow. Very pretty. Love all these colors too. Wow, look at this blue. Stunning. Love it. Okay, and I believe this is $5.98. Okay, all very good prices. All right, and then the next one. Now, this one might look familiar because I got the owl, the other owl, but it's the male owl. This is the girl owl. And when I saw her, I said, I have to get her because I already have the male. So I needed the girl. She's just adorable. So don't you just love her hat? And those big eyes and her little beak. And she's wearing that pretty scarf. And she's got hearts here. And then the blue background. It's absolutely beautiful. And now this was interesting. It says 11.8 by 15.7 inches. And basically that's 30 by 40 centimeters. So let's do the centimeters on this one. This one is 24 by 20, oh no, by 34. Okay. Oh. All right. Let me bring her up. Look at those eyes, guys. I just love owls. Just adorable. Okay, she might need a little pedicure, but she's adorable. 32 colors, very clear, super sticky. All right, and this also comes, and this one is $5.99. Tray, wax, and a pen, and baggies. And let's see, which one is this one? This is this one. Yep. This one, okay, 32 colors. That's why you have two rows. It's a lot of colors, guys. For a little painting, 32 colors? Yeah, that's a lot. Okay. Oh, let's start from over here. Sorry. So you got red. That's probably for the, look how pretty that red is. That's probably for the hearts. And then you have like those yellow oranges, probably for her beautiful big eyes. Yellow, that's like a navy blue. This is probably for her sweater. I mean for her scarf. Okay, that's probably for the browns, for the owl. Beautiful brown. You got that light pink, gray, browns, and white. That's probably for her nails. Okay, and then you got more here. This looks like it's black. Look at these blues. So pretty. You have that red, more blues, orange and blues and gray. Lots of pinks, and that's probably for her scarf and her hat. And more grays. Okay. All right, so we said this was $5.99. Okay, let's move owl over there. And then the last one is called Winter. You know, winter's around the corner. And this one is it's called Winter. It's a 30 by 40, 24 colors, $6.99. And this one is basically 4 penguins hanging out, probably singing, just, you know, having fun. They all are wearing hats because it's very, very cold, and they have scarves on. You have snow all around. You have some trees, and you have a couple of birdies flying around them. So maybe the birdies are singing and the penguins are dancing to the songs that the birdies are singing. Okay, so this one has 24 colors. Okay, see the little penguins? The penguin, and they're very, very clear. Okay, let's see. Okay, very sticky. All right, and this also tray, wax, and pen, and baggies. Let's see. So this is 35 by 25. All right, and these are the colors. See if I can get them open. Oh, mamma mia. Sorry about the noise again. Okay. So here we have lots of white because of the snow. You have the greens, probably for the trees and the scarf. The yellow, more green. And then that's that pretty color that I love. It's like a sage. It's like a peachy color. It's around. Then you have red, probably for the scarf. Green. This is like an off-white. It's like orange, orange yellow, blue, and lots of those blue greens that I love. And I think this is like a blue. Yeah, it's like a dark blue. Or maybe it's black. I can't tell. So you have like a mustard color. Very, very pretty blue. Probably for his scarf. You got pinks. Oh, look at the purple here. Yeah, that's probably for his hat. And this must be for the, let's see. Probably for the, I was going to say the snow, but it's probably for the trees. It's a very pretty color. It's like a very light green. White green. All right. So that's about it, guys. So let me bring them all out. So we got winter, which is $6.99. Then we have owl. Let's put this winter like this. Then we have owl, which is $5.99. And then we have rain boots, $5.98. Very colorful. And then this one, I love the rain coming down and the two cats are loving, they're having fun. And this one is $4.38. And of course, let's not forget Dancer Girl, the ballerina, and she's $8.99. So I will put everything in the description box, and I hope you enjoyed them, and let me know which one is your favorite. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the night. Bye-bye. Thank you.